On July 4th, a family went missing after doing fireworks. Two parents, two kids. They were celebrating, laughing, lighting sparklers, just enjoying the night. Then the youngest kid froze, pointed at the trees, and said, "There's a clown watching us." The dad looked. No one was there. He laughed it off, said it was just the smoke playing tricks. But after the finale, as they were packing up, the clown was standing right in front of him and something shiny in his hand. The dad was dead in seconds. When police arrived, they found his body burned into the grass. No sign of the mom, no sign of the kids. Comment a story do you want me to animate.